Thank you for visiting my YouTube channel. Here I am back. For a couple of days YouTube had taken off my channel, so I was extremely upset. I wrote them a couple of emails and then finally they have reinstated my YouTube channel. But I honestly I don't know till now what happened and why they had taken off my channel and all. So I sent them another mail asking me to let me know at least what went wrong and why they had taken off, because maintaining a YouTube channel needs a lot of efforts and all. uh, I do not post edited videos on YouTube, and the reason is that I do not have that luxury of time available, and my information that I'm sharing on YouTube channel may benefit many people, but those have to be done in a real time basis. So I cannot go ahead and edit my YouTube videos, etc., etc., but still it takes hell of a lot of time to make video, upload it. Especially with me, my internet is not that great, so it takes a lot of time to upload the videos and all. So honestly, I was very sad for 2 3 days. I was thinking that why should I post videos on YouTube? uh, Rather I should come up with my own website where I should be posting my thoughts. And this is a promise that I'm coming with my own website soon, and I'll be sharing some very good contents uh, over there. Again, whatever I am mentioning on my website and all, sorry, whatever I'm mentioning on my YouTube channel and all, nothing is a trade recommendation, because I cannot do that. I'm not authorized by any agency, neither to recommend any trade and all. Uh, but my the good thing is that I continuously follow instrument or couple of instruments, uh, in which we will be analyzing the expected direction of prices, and then one has to take his or her call on his own. Also, during the past 8 9 days, I did a lot of brainstorming to learn whether I should continue following only Tasi or I should venture out with other things as well. Eventually, what has happened is that over these past 9 days, I have taken a lot of training on cryptocurrency. Earlier, my impression was that cryptocurrency is a fluke, but now I have understood after studying cryptocurrency in detail that I was just being an idiot, that I was not focusing on this. So I have decided to confine myself to crypto and to couple of commodities, and to move away from everything else. Believe me or not, I have many friends who are brilliant guys, but they do not have a good opinion about crypto, and I was just following whatever they were mentioning and all, and I have only realized that it was just my stupidity and nothing else. So I have decided to proceed with cryptocurrency in future. Okay, and I'll be sharing the I'll be instead of focusing on Tasi, going forward I'm going to share with you on YouTube and on other platforms as well, including my own website when my website goes live. Expected direction of prices for cryptocurrencies. It may be Bitcoin, it may not be Bitcoin. Okay, it may be Bitcoin, it may be altcoins, but there will be continuous update on various things on my channel. Once I get sizable response from YouTube and through my website and all, I will do a lot of live trading sessions also. Of course, we'll be running the disclaimer, etc. Okay, and those would be done on a very frequent basis. So my humble request to you would be that you please help in making sure that this channel reaches out to all the crypto or most of the crypto followers. It will help them a lot. So that this was intro. This video is getting bit longer, but I was very sad when all these things were unfolding. My YouTube channel was taken off and all. So I thought I must make a video and convey my concerns to people. The other thing is that on Tasi, even though my content is superb, but I do not know how to optimize my channel so that it gets attention of the potential viewers, or so-called budding investors and existing investors, to get hold of their attention. Otherwise, if we may remember, we have found most of the moves of Tasi successfully ever since we picked it up, and there is nothing great. The only thing is that as long as we are focused on our indicators and on the market, there is no way success will be away from us for a very long period of time. Okay, so now it may be getting boring, so let us come straight to the topic. So as I have mentioned, now going forward it will be crypto. Okay, and guys, I'm requesting everyone, please do not spam my videos and all by writing some sponsored contents and all. I'm so sorry, but I don't like all these things, and eventually I'll be taking off all these comments and all. It will be detrimental for those who really want to trade, and because eventually if it continues, it will be very discouraging for me. I'm not into this business. uh, Please excuse me, and please do not get me wrong. Please do not write sponsored contents and all. I personally, I do not like it at all. Okay, so now coming to the market. So as I have told you, now I'll be focusing on the cryptos, and there is no change to my indicators, and everything will remain same. Everything will remain same as it is. There will be no change. My approach will be same. My direction alignment will be same. When there will be a trade, I'll be screaming that there is a potential opportunity. When there is no trade, it is better that you stay away. And I am not going to talk about the technicalities of how Bitcoin functions, and how Bitcoin functions, what is the role of blockchain, what is called 51% attack, what is and a lot of other theories that I have studied over past 8-9 days. I'm grateful to one of my very close, uh, one of my younger brothers, I would say, who has directed me all these days. I had very negative views about crypto, but I'm thankful to him. He recommended to me a few training programs, and I bought those, and I have studied those in detail, and I'm going to study those in future also, because I'm also interested in knowing the technology of blockchain and all, just for my own clarity sake, because I am clear that the future will be crypto only. So I do not want to be fool for very long. Okay, so I'm not recommending any of you to go for crypto and all, but that is the personal call. But this is what I'm sharing with you. This I'm speaking my heart out today. Video is getting longer, but that is fine. I'm okay with it. Okay, so now coming to the market. Uh, so as we know, I'm talking about Bitcoin over here. Okay, and I will be focusing on Bitcoin going forward, for unless I have got reasons to believe that I should be changing the topic. I will be coming up with Bitcoin, and also I'll be talking about the altcoins. Okay, so now coming to the market. So first of all, let me run the disclaimer. Please read it. I want to repeat that crypto market is extremely volatile, and volatility is caused only because of the fact that this is a decentralized market, and there is no regulatory body which says that there is a upper circuit and lower circuit and all. So please follow your own risk management rules, because this market can be getting extremely dirty if you are placed on the wrong side of trade, guys. Thanks. Here is a disclaimer. Please read it thoroughly. Only once you agree, proceed with next part of video. Thank you. Okay, so as I have mentioned, always these videos are only for information and educational purposes. I am not recommending any trade over here. Please follow your trade advisor before placing a trade, and please, I'm folding my hands and requesting, follow your risk management rules. Thank you. Okay, my dear friends, thanks a lot for believing in me, and I will personally make sure that you do not regret uh, by choosing my channel to understand about the crypto market's potential moves. If you want to learn about crypto market, you can there are a lot of courses and everything, programs and everything, you can learn from there. Okay, so assuming that we are on the same line, so guys, crypto is a bit complex. Okay, it's a 24-hour market. It works in 24 by 7 into 365 format probably. I can't vouch for 365, but it definitely works in 24 by 7 format. And as you can see that this market, since this market works in 24 by 7 format, so you have got various time frames, like you have 12 hours time frame, you have 8-hour time frame, you have got 6-hour time frame, you have got 4 hour, 2 hour, 1 hour, 30 minutes. It goes all the way up to 1 minute and goes probably till ticker also. I don't have luxury of getting ticker, neither I'm interested in knowing one. So what is important over here is to choose your time frame very cautiously and very carefully, because you never know which time frame you'll be trading. If you're comfortable trading US time frame, your everything will be totally different. If you want to trade Europe, it will be different. If you want to trade say Asian, when Japan, China and all comes, it will be totally different ball game altogether. And you cannot be awake always. I cannot remain awake always. Okay, I am 1983 born. Okay, so I have my own restrictions. I have done whatever I had to do. Now I cannot remain awake for 18 hours, 20 hours and all. So you have to accept that you cannot capture all the moves. I cannot capture all the moves. Okay, so that basic understanding has to be very clear. There should be no confusion, no element of doubt that oh, I wish if I was awake, then I would have captured this and all. I am not into this if then business. I want to remain very clear on what I can do and what I cannot do. So this is the market structure. Okay, so I have told you that this time management has to be done by individual only. I will personally try to make sure that I post at least 7 to 8 videos every week on some of the cryptos, and I will be analyzing these markets in depth. Okay, and guys, I only focus on momentum and volatility. I do not care about where the world is going and all. I'm only concerned about what I know, probably better than few people. Okay, on basis of those only I'll be analyzing the charts, and I will make sure, as I'm telling you repeatedly, that I will make sure that you do not regret or repent on your decision. That is the quality of content that I'm assuring that you will be getting over here on this channel. Anyways, now coming to the crypto, as we know, I'm analyzing over here the Bitcoin. Okay, so Bitcoin made a recent low of 29,260, as you can see from the chart, and then from here it has bounced to 34,000 level. When it was coming to this level, when it was making the lows, I had my personal apprehension that Bitcoin will be able to sustain this zone. I was expecting Bitcoin to slide further. My only concern is this support zone, which from where market has been bouncing every time. Whenever market is coming in this zone, it is bouncing. See, you can see I had analyzed this thing very carefully, because I had my personal interest in this at that moment. So this is 19th May low. This is your 23rd June low, and this is your 20 July 2020 low. Okay, so market, you can see that almost, I also study Hearst cycle and all, but I'm not very passionate about Hearst cycle anymore. But you can see the, time cycles do have an impact in the market, regardless of whether it is, because guys, this market trading is nothing but it's a pure mathematics. It's pure mathematics that is driving the prices and all. Okay, so you can see that these are your cycles, if somebody want to call it like this. So this is the level that I'm personally eyeing at. In case if Bitcoin slides below this level, we'll be seeing much lower levels to be attained. I'm not only because Bitcoin has gone towards 34,000. I'm not changing my view about Bitcoin. Bitcoin is clearly into a bearish market. I'll be expecting this support zone to be broken, and once this gets broken, I would be expecting the lower levels. We'll review those levels later when that opportunity comes. But right now, what is important to understand is, when we are reviewing the 4-hourly time frame, sorry, when we are analyzing a market which is working in 24-hour format. So when we are analyzing market that is working in 24-hour format, is that we have to review market on couple of important time frames. Again, my internet is just getting crazy. I'm not able to open this 4-hourly time frame for you, which I wanted to open and I wanted to show you something. But anyways, I'm restricting myself to 1 hourly time frame to, and as we can see that there were clear setup. Okay, I honestly did not apprehend that this market will be going so higher after breaking this negative reversal pattern over here. It has taken me by surprise, and that is why I'm requesting time and again that these crypto markets are crazy markets. The only way to protect yourself will be to for the best thing about crypto that I've analyzed is that if you are confident on your trading signal, okay, this market does reward you. Okay, but if you cannot control your emotions and you take unconfirmed signals and all, thinking that because Bitcoin is going in this way, altcoins will be going in that way and all, that doesn't work. Okay, it doesn't work. But in case if you know where to put your stop losses very clearly. I have not lost anything in this rally, by the way. Okay, I have not lost anything in this rally, but I was not expecting that Bitcoin will be giving such a strong correction as well. But anyways, we'll have to admit the fact, and the fact of the matter is that market has Bitcoin has corrected significantly towards 34,000 level, and I do not see any signal on my own time frames right now indicating that you should expect resumption of your main trend, which is downtrend. And this video I'm making on 24th July around say 8 o'clock 8 p.m. in night India time. Okay, and going forward I'll be mentioning right in the beginning of video when I'm making especially for the crypto, because this is 24-hour market and I want to remain as clear as possible with everyone. Okay, so this is how hourly time frame is looking like. Okay, so this is now 15 minutes time frame, and on 15-minute time frame we can see a very tight consolidation over here. Again, this means nothing unless you have a confirmed signal, and the reason why I stress on confirmed signal is that will be rewarding you. Okay, so now we'll have to see if this level gets broken. If this level gets broken, because as of now, as we are making the video, I'm very clear that there is no confirmation indicating that this price is going to correct. Rather, you can see that price is climbing. Okay, and I would be expecting upside breakout only for now based on the facts that I have right now available with me. But in case if something changes, I will try to share those inputs as well. My email address will remain same. There is no change to my email address. You can send me an email, okay, and I'll be making a group on Telegram. Sorry, I have already made a group on Telegram. We may join over there, okay, so that we can track this market as closely as possible. Okay, I'm not promising that I'll be every day I'll be able to contribute something on Telegram and all, but I'm promising that you'll get something. It will be you'll be getting something substantial. Okay, with this I'm ending this video. This video became very long, so it will take a lot of time for video to get uploaded also. But I was kind of annoyed with what happened to my YouTube channel over this weekend, and also after spending some significant amount of time in this crypto market, I thought that this is the time to quickly get hold of it before it gets too late. With this, I am ending this video, and I'm thankful to all of you who have spent some time with my YouTube channel. With that confidence only, I have decided to move to come with my own website, where I'll be coming up with some very good content for all of you. Thanks a lot. Enjoy your time. God bless all. Thanks. Take care.